Hi, my name is Lauren from ACA. Today, we're going to talk about the TH sound in English. This sound is everywhere, and it's one of the more difficult sounds to make. Here, we're going to talk about 3 rules to help you make the TH sound. Number 1. The tip of the tongue should be in between the teeth. Often, learners will place the tongue at the roof of the mouth to make a t or d sound. Move the tongue in between the teeth so that the tongue is touching the teeth. Number 2. The sound should be continuous. When I make the th sound or sound, notice how as long as I can breathe, I can keep making the sound. This contrasts with the t or d sound. Number 3. The tongue should be relaxed. Take your fingers and place them at the jawline. Now make the t, t, t or d, d, d sound. Notice how the jaw and the tongue are very tense. Now make the or sound. The jaw and the tongue are relaxed. Now we're going to try some tongue twisters. Keep in mind the rules we just went over. I'm going to show you the tongue twisters. Try them out, and then I'll pronounce them afterwards. Are you ready? I was thirsty after 33 therapy sessions on Thursday. Few things are worth the trouble of sacrificing yourself, but love is worthy. I gather you have either written scathing review or know who did. She thinks she has finished her 13-month thesis on theater production. This thin that thatch, those thorns, these thugs they think. This thing is the best thing they can throw the 3 times they need to throw the thing. So, how'd you do? If you would like more information on the TH sound or other topics, please go to lesbonmots.ca for more information. Bye.